documents, your estate planning attorney, and today I want to talk to you about DIYing your estate plan. Don't do it. That's the short of it. And I wish I could just be done and you would listen to me, but probably you're thinking, I can do it myself. And that's because the internet makes it seem like it's really easy to go online, print out a form, fill it out, and be done. There's a lot of little mistakes you can make that can cause the documents to actually be invalid. So if you're still with me and you want to know a little more, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what mistakes you can make so that hopefully you can avoid them if you do want to do it yourself. The first one is missing documents or creating the incorrect documents. Estate planning is all about what your goals are. And if you don't really understand what documents accomplish the goal, then you risk going in and printing a will when what you really needed was a trust. So make sure that you understand the goals for your estate plan and what document's going to accomplish those goals. The second is executing the documents incorrectly. What does that mean? The Florida statutes, they describe how each of these documents need to be executed. They need to be signed a specific way. They need to be witnessed a specific way, and they need to be notarized a specific way. If you go online and you create these documents and you don't follow this procedure as the statute says that you should, the court is going to take that document, not valid. It's like you didn't have anything in the first place. Third, if you have kids, naming your guardians incorrectly. Let's say, for example, you name your sister and brother-in-law as guardians for your kids. Let's say that they get divorced. Was it really your intention that they both have guardianship of your kids, or did you really mean your sister to have guardianship of your kids? Naming your guardians is a really important part of estate planning, and if you do it incorrectly, it could result in somebody assuming guardianship that you didn't want to be a guardian in the first place. These are just a few of the many estate planning mistakes you can make by DIYing your estate plan, which is why I always advise that you sit down with an attorney and go over your goals with them. Remember, this video is not meant to replace legal advice. Only an attorney can give you advice on what your estate plan should be. If you want to learn more about common mistakes when DIYing your estate planning documents, make sure to check out my blog by that same title. You can also schedule a complimentary initial consultation with me at www.igslegal.com or by emailing me at info@igslegal.com.